Scatman's World.
Vai ragazzi, siamo a New Orleans contro i New Orleans Pelicans. Questa dovevamo vincere, fioi. Vai, 16-16. Ok, non devo perdere palle. Bravo. E si comincia bene. Buon inizio Holiday.
And I think they should really continue to work it down low, Clark. That's really going to free up the rest of their offense.
And Steamsmud gets to Holiday.
Non giocare bene Gordon.
Left side Gordon.
Forza, palla persa, molto bene. Bravi! Dai che finisce anche questo terzetto di partite, poi ci rivediamo per la 21esima, per la 22esima e per la 23esima partita. Dobbiamo fare una gran partita oggi con una squadra comunque non irresistibile. Evans. Ah, fallo del Comendone.
And look at how the hustle game has been going for Utah.
Tell you what, guys, they're showing us a lot of energy early on and racking up
those. Dai, i 20-17 per Utah.
The other thing I like is defensively they're
causing
turnovers, and that's allowing them to get into transition.
Jefferson's checked in for the Jazz.
Injury has always been the big concern when you talk about Eric Gordon, but if you're a team, you have to roll the dice on it.
Passaggio bruttissimo.
When he's healthy.
Rush the best to the chosen.
Vai come dall'angolo e arriva un bellissimo canestro del veneziano.
Now Holiday looking for his first basket still in this one.
New Orleans Arena.
Gordon Clark, you said roll the dice and roll the dice. The Pelicans did.
Palla Jeff, bene, bene, bene.
Max offer Steve to get him.
Well, you know, he's had a history of injuries, and so it made the decision from New Orleans a little more difficult. And if you're Phoenix, you look back.
Vai, vai il triplone, niente, non vuole provarlo. Williams. Purtroppo non arriva l'assist.
The Pelicans making a switch here. Morrow's checked in. Outside Holiday.
Marchiamo bene.
Passes it to Steamsmud. That's it 5.
Bravi, dai. Che oggi Utah c'è. Non perderla, fuori. Che sfiga. Ma che sfiga.
And here's Holiday, averaging 16 points a game. Smith dishes to Aminu. Back to Smith. And there's the feed to Aminu. Screen by Smith.
Come rischiato di cadere.
6 to shoot. Morrow kicks to Howard.
Brutto. Questo brutto. Bravo Kume, primo assist di giornata.
Gobert's got his first bucket in this one.
8 of the last 10 points at that end of the court have been scored on very high percentage shots in the paint.
Man, it's not necessarily strategic, Clark. It's just a matter of playing a little hard. Play hard.
Took advantage of some shoddy defense there. They've got.
Vai Fiori, ragioniamo che comunque l'obiettivo principale è vincere questa partita. Poi le robe personali arrivano. Bravo, no! Ok, il primo arriva.
E
anche il secondo, bravo Kume. Inizio molto diverso rispetto alla gara dell'altra volta, con errori nei liberi, errori del campo. Dall'angolo, questa invece l'ho sbagliata. Purtroppo questo è stato un brutto errore da solo. Bello. Bello, bello. Defense. Defense.
Here's the chosen one. He's covered by Roberts. The chosen one passes to Williams.
Dai vecchio. Fallo.
The Jazz have been perfect at the line so far. Be it this 2 for 2.
Non sbaglio, niente, ai liberi comunque non ci siamo, dalla linea della carità non ci siamo.
He hits the second from the line. 11
Morrow.
seconds left in the first. Morrow kicks to Roberts. There's the dish to Morrow. Fades away. And the
Ok, primo quarto 29-23 Utah, buono. Secondo quarto.
Getting ready to start up. And taking a look at the Jazz performance here, Clark, Steve, what have you been seeing? What have they been doing or not doing?
Really good sign offensively the way they started this game out, getting a lot of hoops from close.
Bello, bel movimento di palla. Ok.
I know you were a three-point shooter, Steve, and a really good one, but it's always easier to score in the paint.
Anderson and Davis, they're in the middle. Anthony Morrow out there with Brian Roberts. And it's
Madonna, sti falli non li sopporto più. 47-35.
The sideline and catch up with Doris Burke. Hey, Doris.
Hi, Kevin. The chosen one in their last time out against the Warriors made some nice plays. He had 11 points, and it was his usual story. A lot of
Vai.
fouls.
Dai William. Secondo assist.
Thanks, and Steve, yet another special game from a player that we know is incredibly capable for this team.
Yeah, he sure is. We saw it firsthand, and it was
Holiday.
fun to watch. He really
Holiday.
got it rolling.
Yeah, nothing better than to see a guy confident, comfortable, on a roll, and elevating his team to high
Vacas.
levels of play. That's a beautiful thing to watch, fellas.
Bravo Lucas, bravo.
Easy layup after coming off the pick. And the Jazz lead by 16.
The soft finger roll is just one of the many finishing moves he has in his bag of shot making.
Evans right side.
8.
Evans right side.
Bravi.
That one's off. Still out of sync.
And that'll increase their rebound advantage. They've definitely been winning that battle on the board.
Well, the main thing is they haven't allowed many second chance opportunities.
Pecca, pecca.
Allow you to maintain your lead.
Dai che però siamo 51-35, non sta andando male.
You look at Williams.
Williams da 3, secondo cazzo grande.
What a percentage that is from the three-point line. That's amazing.
Come percentuale da 3 non male.
That deep touch, incredible.
And Utah making a change here. Both free throws good from Lucas.
Pelicans ended up being the name that New Orleans chose when it was all over. I like the new look uniforms, but they had some other options as well that sounded pretty good to me. How about
Bravi, dai, fallo.
because it gives now
Santo Dio.
Well, definitely a nice sounding name. Other options were the Swamp Dogs, the Bull Sharks, the Mosquitoes. Steve, all in all, you have to think they went
Dai
the
Lucas,
right way.
bravo Lucas, bellissima azione di Utah. Sono un po' fuori adesso dal gioco, però non mi va.
I don't even know what that means, but that was in the mix. It would have puzzled a lot of other people around the country besides me. Better than
Vai
the
Evans.
Spurs, that's for sure. Pelicans was
Lucas.
probably the right way to go.
Lucas off a pick from Jefferson.
Non me la passano
That's
più.
good. Lucas has got his second
Bravi
bucket
comunque.
tonight.
Now they've gotten something out
Stiamo
of just
dominando
about
sto
every
match.
possession, and their defense has been just as good. Masterful performance across the board.
and don't forget on the road too.
Lucas passa per i coglioni adesso però, passala. Guarda che la passa più. Si sta facendo un merdone alto.
Again with the bucket.
They're playing well, guys. They're really starting to pull away.
Yep, here at the midway point, that's exactly what's happening.
Lucas against Holiday.
Bello.
And good on the basket. Cooking. Holiday's got 4 points now in the quarter.
You know, he's knocking down his shots today, but it hasn't really translated to the scoreboard yet.
Hola.
Gets the pass to the chosen one. Evans, a screen on Gordon.
Mamma mia che rischio, che rischio.
Pass to the chosen one. 6 on the shot clock. Inside.
Buono. E la spalla chiaramente.
And too long
Mi
on
sembra
the shot.
corretto.
Pelicans trail by 20. Holiday dishes to Gordon. Knocks it loose.
Bravo Cube! E il Cube la recupera. E da l'assist per Jefferson. Sempre altruista, il cubendone veneziano.
That's how to do it. Attack early.
Bella palla rubata questa, mi è piaciuta molto. Questo invece è fallo.
That's his third foul of the game.
That's the risky run by staying out there as he picks up his third.
Ennis Cantor's checked in for Utah. There's a good screen.
Piede palla Pelicans.
And it's being called a kickball.
Occhio, Gordon.
Outside Gordon. Shot clock at 6. Tries from 16.
Merda.
The shot is good off the backboard. Gordon's got 5 points so far.
C più.
It was almost like he
Non
was
buon
surprised
risultato.
to be that wide open, yet he knocked it down.
The chosen one.
No, non mi questo non capisco perché mi va a sbagliare.
Shocker. The defense was there, but it wasn't
Questo non me ne deve sbagliare, porca puttana.
for him to miss those.
Gordon outside. Gordon with another miss.
Vabbè.
Now bad timing, his team trailing, and this has not been a quarter that he'd like
Bravo.
to remember.
That one goes. Count it.
The defenders need to talk to each other. The communication lacking there on that three-pointer.
Holiday against Lucas, and Holiday kicks to Gordon.
Gordon. Gordon.
There's 21 seconds left in the first half of the game.
Vai, butta. Dai, eravamo in contropiedazzo.
He's been wayward and just off
Jefferson.
about everything he's put up in this
Cantor.
Right wing. The chosen one passes to
Ma no! Ma no! E dopo la mette dopo, ma vai a cagare.
with the lay-in from Ennis
Che
Cantor.
sfiga.
One
Oh.
of the sweetest moves in the game, the reverse layup in traffic.
Fine secondo il primo tempo. Deve essere un altro assist, quel coglione di Kent l'ha sbagliata.
Now, presented by Sprint. Thanks for joining us for the Sprint halftime report.
Dai, questa la vinciamo però.
Sprint.
The legendary Bourbon Street always a party there as we get out.
Ok, terzo quarto, siamo già a 3:75-54.
And Roberts kicks to Aminu.
Non è purtroppo stupata del Cumendone, peccato.
Taking a look at the Jazz, the chosen one. He's in a point guard.
Bravo, dai, sbagliala questa, no?
And it's Rush.
Grande
And it's
Kume.
Burks in at the shooting guard position.
I like the fact that he led his teammate right to the ideal spots. You don't always throw it to your teammate, you throw it to where he needs to be.
Dobbiamo migliorare tanto a livello realizzativo.
See them keep missing opportunities to extend the lead at the line. I mean, when you have a chance,
Madonna, sti falli non li sopporto.
you want to take advantage of that. You don't want to give them a chance to come back on you. You know, guys, even though the Jazz have been a team that's been over 500 for the last few years now, they've not been able to really make up any ground in that tough
Vai, Kume.
Western Conference, and part of it is because they lack a go-to scorer.
The chosen one passes to Jefferson. Here's the chosen one.
Bruttissimo passaggio.
Upside Jefferson. A fadeaway.
Bravo,
And there's
Jefferson.
another one for the Jazz. But for the Jazz, they have the size and strength to compete with teams in the West the last few years. But since Darren Williams left, they have been searching for someone that can carry the offensive load late in games.
That's exactly why they decided to trade on draft night for Trey Burke, the Michigan point guard. And, when you don't have a player who can kind of set the offense up, it's really difficult to get your offense going. That's why they've been down.
Brutto canestro qua. Dai, dai, dobbiamo fare un po'. Che cazzo di passaggio è?
Now the pass to the chosen one.
Bravo.
Feeds it to Faber.
Ma Dio mio, no! Ma perché?
Well, what I
Se ne marrone, ragazzi, cioè, se è un bel passaggio deve essere assist, cazzo, non lo devono sbagliare. In questo momento ho bisogno di tutte le statistiche, sono importanti, cazzo, se voglio aumentare i minuti e diventare... però sti falli per me non sono falli, cioè, non capisco perché me li devi fischiare sempre, cazzo, nella ruba perfetta.
Here's Roberts.
Occhio.
Feeds it to Aminu. Kicks it to Roberts.
Ci più. Le ultime due partite un po' in discesa rispetto alla prima che abbiamo fatto e le partite che non ho registrato. Vai Fioi, dai.
Spent some years playing internationally. Seemed to be NBA ready in his first season. He was a nice surprise for the Hornets as the backup point guard.
Jason Smith, he's checked in for Greg Steamsma.
Però sugli altri sempre non sbagliano mai, sui miei assist sbagliano. Va bene.
New Orleans gotten going here in the second half from outside, nailing 3 of 4 from the arc. Here's Roberts. Aminu out top. Dishes to Roberts from about 16. Favors with the rebound. Well, back to Brian Roberts, a good outside shooter. Plays with composure.
Shot 91% from the line last year. 39%.
Ma che cazzo? Ecco, queste palle perse non le capisco.
Also a good decision maker.
Ma non stiamo giocando per fallo. Quinto fallo.
Tough go in terms of fouls for him.
Ai ai ai. Ai ai ai, che disastro. Brutta partita questa.
Well, not the best statistic for him. I mean, his performance at the line, of course, very low number.
And guys, it's something that he's going to have to work on.
Peggio di Montero, i falli di Paolo Montero.
The kind of shooting percentage he would like.
Sbagliata.
Niente,
niente. Non ci siamo, non ci siamo.
They've shown effort and aggression in the paint right from the tip. Their rebounding edge is impressive.
And I'll tell you what, they've turned a lot of those rebounds.
Brutta partita questa, dopo non mi piace. Ah, sto anche bene, cazzo, ma dopo... Ancora errore. Porca puttana. Posso anche più fare falli, far niente. Abbiamo brutte percentuali dal campo.
Last game in New Orleans, they picked up the win against the 76ers.
Boy, that was a surprising result, wasn't it, guys? Because on paper,
vai. Oh!
You know what? That's part of why we enjoy sports and you play the games.
Buon canestro questo.
It definitely didn't turn out the way many of the experts, including ourselves, might have predicted. So that's why you tee it up, buddy.
And Roberts
Smith.
Smith right side.
Dai, difendiamo bene.
Here's Morrow with 1 on the clock.
Fine terzo quarto. Vai quarto quarter, dai. Sicuramente arrivare in doppia cifra con i punti, cazzo. Bello.
So that's the group out there for New Orleans.
Alla, ma dalla merdaccia.
This is it to the chosen.
Però puttana miseria, da sotto dovevamo migliorare ancora tanto. Bruttissimo libero. Dai, 1 su 2.
And he sinks the second. Here's Roberts. Roberts gets the screen from Smith.
Fallo personale di Smith sul Kuma, bene.
And now a look at the upcoming schedule for the New Orleans Pelicans. Following this one, they get to host the Cavaliers. That'll be the last of 3 straight at home for the team.
Vai, come ho bisogno di un altro punto, così almeno abbiamo la doppia cifra nei punti, negli assist. Oggi un po' sotto media, ma va bene. Fallo e non entra.
Well, this season a new mascot, new team colors, and a
Madonna, ma che liberi sono.
1,000 square foot practice facility for the Pelicans. It's not just a new paint job, folks.
0 su 2, 0 su 2, ma dai! Quanto dobbiamo migliorarlo sto personaggio, mamma mia. Adesso ho le mani ghiacciate sia per assist che per i punti. Vai Williams. Bravo. E non vale. Dio santo.
Here's a look at what's coming up for the Utah Jazz. They can look forward to the American Airlines Center after this game. They'll match up against Dallas. The matchup falls in the middle game of this 3-game trip. Steamsma checked in for the Pelicans.
Passaggio deviato.
New Orleans will retain possession.
Nice play to get a hand on that pass and tip it out of bounds.
Queste ultime due partite non mi hanno entusiasmato in maniera devastante comunque. Potevamo fare molto meglio ragazzi, secondo me.
Here's Morrow, defended by Lucas. Out to Miller. New Orleans.
Bravo, come cazzo! Questo voglio da te! E silenzio, è tornato CV come da veneziano. Due palle rubate oggi, molto bene.
Morrow dishes to Roberts.
Bello. Sempre c'è più il punteggio, la valutazione. Mettila. Ola. Bravo, come no? Che ho 5 falli, cazzo, eccolo là. Primo libero è andato, però aveva un bel vantaggio, dai.
They got run over in a conference where everybody needs to be tough to even think about the playoffs. New Orleans really
defense.
And Clark, as you said with the Pelicans last year in their final year as the Hornets, the West just ate them alive as they put
buono, bello sto canestro.
37 record, Steve, against the rest of the conference.
And it wasn't just any one division; it was every division in the West. But look, the conference was loaded. The Pelicans, or at least the Hornets, at the time were a young team. They weren't going anywhere.
Roberts. Buona difesa sul tiro, B meno finalmente. Mettila, grazie, grazie al cielo, bravo Kume. Dai che siamo in ripresa. Doveva fare 5 falli per andare in ripresa. Bel rimbalzo. Sti rimbalzi di merda.
First one to react to that miss. Excellent anticipation on his part. A hustle play on the putback by him.
Evans passes to the chosen man.
Bravo! Grande Kumendone, ottimo quarto, andiamo a 15 punti e si gode. Stavolta aveva meno assist, pazzesco.
And Roberts kicks to Withy. Miller dishes to Roberts.
Roberts. Dai, non c'è più ragazzi, i Pelicans non ci sono più.
They can look forward to the American Airlines Center after this game. They'll match up against Dallas. And that game will be game 2 of straight on the road.
E arriva anche l'assist. 11-3 negli ultimi 4 minuti. Il Kumendone si sveglia al quarto. Questo è il Kume che vogliamo.
Here's Withy. He kicks it to Roberts. Down low.
Bello.
Basket by Morrow.
Heads up, aggressive play right there. He saw the small
Vai Kume, il numero 7 che deve illuminare Utah.
They set the screen.
Non rischiamo troppo. Bello, purtroppo non è assist, non capirò mai, cioè. Per una finta non è assist, va bene. Oh, e arriva la stoppata comediana, ragazzi, il quarto della vita, fioi. Grandissimo quarto. Williams dall'angolo. Però sta giocando molto bene sul comendone. Roberts. Ancora errori Golden State. I Pelicans non ci sono più. Bravo come, mamma mia ragazzi, che lavoro nel quarto per il veneziano. Ottimo lavoro Kume, ottimo lavoro. Occhio. Dai, 106-71, siamo belli tranquilli. Morrow. Bravo Williams, dai, 106-71. La partita archiviata. E proprio il mister ormai ci tiene in campo tantissimo. Bene, bene, bene. Sono molto contento. Triplone. Williams. Bravo, ah, pecca.
Great D that time from Steamspot. Here's Roberts.
Merda da solo. E la sbaglia, meno male.
Lucas off a pick from Evans. Pass to Williams.
Vai Williams.
To the middle.
Bravi ragazzi. Sta facendo una buona stagione. I playoff non sono una cosa impossibile se continuiamo con questa media. Ormai sbaglia tutto Golden State. Ancora questo Golden State, i Pelicans.
Miller with the ball. Williams picks him up. Miller against Williams. Here's Roberts.
Interferenza.
He got there late, but you do have to like the aggressiveness to go after the block. But that one's going to count.
Na 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 na.
The kick out to Williams.
Na na.
Pass to the chosen one.
Na. Para. Para.
The pass to Gobert.
Bella. Buona azione, peccato. Miller.
Here's Roberts. Passes it to Withy.
Bello qua, un po' pollo il comendone. È anche un po' stanco il Kume. Bravissimo! 17 punti, bravo Kume, 7 su 11 del campo, palle recuperate 2. Bello questo anche dei miei avversari.
Utah shooting around 60% of the night. Amazing work offensively so far. It's Evans on the wing. Here's Gobert.
Bravi.
Yes, and a nice assist from Evans. Gobert's got 6 here in this quarter.
They're getting on a roll inside. Their last 3 field goals have come from inside the paint area.
The defense has to make an adjustment. They've got to string together some stuff.
Ah, che dormita, meno male che ha sbagliato a prendere rimbalzo. Meno male, Lucas. Bruttissimo tiro questo. Tira fuori, ancora non ci siamo però, eh. Fuori, no, fallo e va a cagare. Dai che mancano 2:31.
Yep, but when you get there late, that's what happens.
Withy passes to Smith. Here's Roberts.
Come non esce in difesa sta un po' vaneggiando, infatti è sceso a B-.
Utah with the ball.
Che rischio.
Here's the chosen one.
Ancora! E va a cagare, palla persa. Sono stanco, 3 palle perse. Una media di 2-3 palle perse a partita. Diciamo che è il mio vero punto debole. E anche questa va provando ad entrare in partita, ma sono troppo indietro, dai. Dai, palla nostra. Bravo Kume, bel passaggio. Buona. Va bene, peccato, era buona però. Nel contropiede dei Pelicans, fallo più tiro libero. Bravo Kume, ottimo assist. 17 punti, 8 assist, 2 palle recuperate. Bella partita di Kumendona alla fine. Nel quarto siamo riusciti a ribaltare la prestazione. Dobbiamo ancora migliorare tanto, ma siamo sulla buona strada.
He's going to keep banging those home if you give him that much space.
Utah's gone 2 of 5 on 3-point shots since the end of the third quarter. Here's the chosen one, guarded by Roberts.
Sono qua se vuoi, Pippa. Sono qua.
The Jazz need to get off a shot here.
Che tiro di merda.
New Orleans with the ball.
53 dal campo.
15-6 run. Morrow, that's a 2-pointer. Offensive rebound.
When he's wide open like that, he'll rarely miss those.
About 3 seconds between shot and game clock. The chosen one passes to Evans.
Vai Rush.
Here's the chosen one, defended by Roberts.
Niente da fare, palla persa, no. Guarda questi cosa mettono, Kume non ha ancora i parametri per poter fare sti canestri, però voi giustamente mi consigliate di tirare da fuori, ma se non ho i parametri è dura. Buona vittoria però raga, Utah è tornata, 8 vittorie, 5 sconfitte, adesso ci ribecchiamo per la 21esima, per la 22esima e per la 23esima partita. 17 punti e 8 assist, bravo Kume, raga, un saluto dal Kumendone, Veneziano.
Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano. Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano.